Once again, let's give it up for our lovely princess tonight. The reason we are all here tonight, Kisses, happy 18th birthday. Hi.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Kisses to you. I'm Janina. We had a busy to meet before. Hi, Kisses. You look absolutely gorgeous. Wow, I love that your dress can take up the whole stage. I believe this gown is made just for you by Francis Lidera. It's so beautiful.
Alam mo, Kisses, it's your birthday, Janina. I didn't even know that you played a harp. Di ko alam yan. Matagal ka na nagpa-play ng harp?
Prepare ko talaga siya.
For tonight na?
Yes.
Wow. So talagang pinaghandaan niya. You prepared this for all your guests tonight.
I love it.
Palakpakan natin ulit. Palakpakan natin. Wasn't that amazing? You know, she prepared to play a harp just for you guys tonight.
Exactly. So again, to everyone, you know, grabe, dumog kanina eh. Everyone was so enchanted by your performance. Are you proud of yourself?
I feel happy.
I love it. Of course, the celebration is...
I'm not a singer, pero I sang with love.
Of course. Yeah, actually, yun naman pinaka-importante.
Yes.
Kumanta ka out of, you know, from your heart, mula sa puso. Kahit, diba? I mean, you did fantastic.
Yeah,
seriously.
You just enjoyed it.
Again.
I love it. And yun na nga, ang daming nandito taking your photos and videos. So again, hashtag for tonight is Kisses turns 18. Kanina nga, may mga nag-Instagram live pa. I love it. You are the talk of the town. And I'm sure, you know, we can't wait to see more of what's in store for tonight's surprises.
So relax ka lang, Kisses.
Yeah, so...
This is your night. You look lovely. you're loved by all your friends from PBB, your sisters, and mga PBB housemates. Love, heart lang. And they're all here for you, your friends, your family members. And I know everybody wants to have dinner, you as well, Kisses. But before that, may we request everybody to please stand again. Magsitayo po tayo because of course before we have our sumptuous meal, Janina, we will also have a prayer led by our band.
Third Avenue Band. So everybody again, please all rise.
Once again, thank you, Third Avenue.
Thank you very much, Third Avenue Band, and for all of our guests, you may now be seated. And that also includes you, Kisses. You may take a seat on your debutante throne. Just relax for a little bit. We have a long night of celebrating ahead of all of us. And with that, no celebration is complete without a sumptuous dinner. So I'm sure everyone wants to hear this as well. Another highlight in all parties. Dinner is served, but just to make things orderly, we have a sequence and an orderly flow for all of our tables. So to all of our guests, our coordinators will approach you, and that is your cue to stand up and proceed here to the stage to have your photos taken with Kisses, and then you
may
can
proceed to the
to the buffet area. Photo first before eating.
Enjoy.
Enjoy, everybody, and have a great evening. We'll be back for the celebration.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Again, we are Third Avenue. Before we begin with our serenade, we would like to greet Kisses first. A very, very happy 18th birthday. Please, let's all together give her a warm round of applause. Come on, everybody, for Kisses.
Happy birthday, Princess. Such a beautiful young lady.
That's right.
Very talented, huh?
I'm so sad when I first saw her earlier. She's so beautiful. As beautiful as this evening, we've got a beautiful crowd this evening. Thank you for looking your best, for looking so beautiful and handsome tonight.
In black and white.
That's right. We're about to play some songs that were requested by Kisses, so we hope you guys would enjoy the musical selection, as well as the dinner prepared for you tonight. Wise men say only fools rush in.
Thank you.
For I can't help falling in love.
Nag-live ako. Sige, tamo.
Abot ka pa lang?
Kanina.
Ah, may upuan ka na.
Nag-live lang ako. Tanda ko na 1.2k. Ay, sige mo. Ay. Sideways, sideways. Smile, look at the camera.
Back in the day, now here's an icon of today. Mr. John officially recognized of the before we move on, please allow us or maybe join us to give honor to the parents of Kisses.
Yes, congratulations for
That's
raising
right.
such a beautiful.
Fine young lady. At this point, let's give Kisses' parents a warm round of applause. Come on, everybody.
Anita, congratulations.
If it weren't for them, we would
That's
not
right.
be here tonight. Now we would like to do an OPM classic, which we are sure you guys are familiar with.
And guys, feel free to sing along. I'm sure you guys know this one.
This song chooses no age because this was popularized during the
In
90s.
the 90s.
That's right, and then remade and made popular again in the recent days.
That's right. Just a few of us.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Mamaya po, pwede magkasuyo sa'yo, Brad? Okay. Baka ano namin. Sige po. Ganito po. Opo. Ganito tayo. Pwede.
Mama,
I'll take bowing. Nag-live kasi ako eh.
Ito. Live? FB Live? This is FB Live. Oh, hello everybody. Para sa'yo ito.
Sino na lang kulang?
Dito yung Starbucks.
Dito? Kailangan mo yung food mo.
Natin, for the next row, so tawagin natin si. So, that's the time na stop ka natin. For example, sa arm ko to, tayo, excuse me. Then, we have different, for 4 packs, 1 song, di ba? Per batch song. Opo.
Sir Magic.
So, mag-queuing na lang. Okay. So, gentlemen, once your name is called, you proceed to the dance floor and stay beside the flower with your right hand. Just sit in and then get the first.
Nandyan. Ano ba ba? Mas dito.
Okay. Then dance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hindi. Kasi
Ayun, yung maximation na. Ganyan po dapat lahat kami ganyan yung hawak.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, once you hear the next name, stop kayo. Then,
Dapat magtinginan sila.
Next up, get ready to dance to Kisses Nico Natividad.
yun yung una ko siyang nakita. Nung una ko siyang nakita, nung una ko siyang nakita, sinabi ko talaga, sobrang ganda mo! Tumalong talaga ako. Hindi ko po talaga akalain na magka-close kami kasi ano po siya English lang siya time na yun. Tapos, habang tumatagal nag-evento po ako, nandun siya parang sabi ko na siya, tama na ginagawa. Yeah! And then, pagkatapos po nun, habang tumatagal po nun, tumatawa siya, ganito pa po siya tumatawa. Pero habang tumatagal na kami magkakasama, wah! Ganito po siya tumawa, halos magdidikit sa siya sa floor. Pagkatapos po, hindi ko alam kung nahawak po ba siya sa akin. Pero, masaya ako na habang tumatagal, lalo ko siyang nakilala, lalo akong napamahal sa kanya. At talaga doon sa bahay ni Kuya, siya yung tinutuloy ko talaga na sobrang close ko na halos yung ano namin, yung atay na magkadikit. Kasi mag-CR ako, maghintay sa siya doon. Buang mo siya, uy. Tinuruan na ako ni Kisses na mag-sit-sit kami, ganyan. Kasi talaga totoo, hindi ako yung kagaya niya na sobrang clingy. Pero, dahil na ganito kiss-kiss dito, parang tinuruan niya ako na mag-sweet din sa iba, makisama na through kisses, and then hugs, yeah. And then, basta yun na yun, mahal kita. Basta, masaya ako na kahit dumating man ang araw na nandito na tayo sa labas ni Kuya, hindi ka pa rin nagbago. Hindi pa rin nawala yung friendship natin dalawa. Daming pagsubok sa ating friendship, pero nangingibabaw pa rin kung anong meron at nasimulan natin dalawa. Masasabi ko lang sa'yo na mahal kita because God loves you so much. At nandito lang ako parati dahil isa ako sa mga naniniwala sa kung anong meron ka. At ipag-pray ko talaga ng bonggang-bongga ang journey mo dahil alam ko marami ka pang mataas pang aabutin mo. I love you so much.